Hello, Afton High School. Did you know you can earn college credit while you're here at Afton High School? Let's explore what that means. Why would you want to earn college credit while you're in high school? It will save you time because you will have some classes done before you go to college. It will save you money because taking college credit in high school is usually less expensive than if you take it at a college. But the main reason it gives you experience of what a college class is like. Even if you're planning on going into employment, remember we talked about how most of the employment jobs that are out there that are in high demand require some college credit. This is one way that you can earn college credit while you're still in high school. There are 5 ways to earn college credit at Afton High School. AP. AP is where you take a test in the spring about a particular subject. Your AP courses will help prepare you for that test. Early College Academy is a special program we started this year at Afton High School. For junior and senior year, you attend St. Louis Community College and also get high school credit for it. At the end of the Early College Academy, you will have your high school diploma and an associate's degree. Dual enrollment is your senior year. You can spend part of the day at Afton High School taking classes and part of the day at St. Louis Community College taking classes. Dual credit is certain classes we offer at Afton High School where you get college credit at a reduced rate, and Project Lead the Way. So to learn more about it, click on the diamonds next to each type of college credit star to find out more information about that particular route. You can also visit the Success Ready resource website. The link is in your advisory at the top before your modules or at that website. Have a great day, and I hope you explore more about college.